What's wrong with this thing?
Whoa, this place is a mess.
What seems to be the problem, board trotters? Ooh.
I think the new vending machine is broken. Look, everything has bite marks.
And it's shooting out wrappers.
Must be a loose wire or something. Good thing I'm pretty hoovsy with a wrench.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
Don't worry, there's always a trick to these things. You just gotta...
Whoa!
Sunny! Look out! Hitch! Over here!
Nailed it.
Hitch? Are we inside the vending machine?
Whoa, I always wondered how these things worked.
Look, Hitch, more bite marks, just like Seashell's apple. We better check it out.
It looks like all the snacks are being pulled down.
I think we need to get down there.
Down there? Into that scary candy vortex? Sure, piece of cake. Not literally, not literally! Sunny, look out!
I can see a path!
I'm right behind you!
Aim for the soda can! Up ahead!
Cheese pucks, 12 o'clock!
You!
Donut emergency! Donut emergency!
Hold on! Hold on!
That's
Did
teamwork.
it!
Kevin?
You!
Maritime Bay's most wanted crook. I should have known. You've had your fun, Kevin. It's time to put the lollipop down and come with me. Let's use our words, buddy. Ow! Ow! Ow!
I don't think he wants to talk.
Stay very still, Sonny. I got you. Time to take out the trash.
Oh, that was so cool!
Uh-oh.
Hitch! That's enough! I'm all three pony kinds, wrapped up into one. My cutie mark comes to life with hope bright as the sun! This snack attack is over.
Nice try, buddy. You can come down from that sugar high back at the station. Thanks for having my back in there, Sonny.
Anytime, Hitch. Always.
Well, I'm pretty sure we've earned ourselves a sweet treat.